Hey guys, it's Patrick with Alpha Pack. Look what we got here. A little surprise came in the other day. So we just finished up with the Renegade back there. Tested it and it's good to go. It's raining outside, so can't even ride it. Otherwise it'll get all dirty. But we got this 2017, I think it is, Maverick 1000R XMR we get to play with next. So this thing had a bunch of the wiring cut back here. All these little connectors here for the switches were all cut off. So I had to figure out how all of it went back on. So finally got that done, and it's throwing a code P0131. Check it out. Let's see. Check engine lights on, but all the switches work. If I had the lights on, sport mode or eco mode. This is DPS. This is winch. So it's all wired back up, but now it's doing limp mode. So kill it. That's what it's doing. It doesn't have the air intake on it. The air box is off and out of it. I'm cleaning that up right now. So any of you Maverick guys, do you know, will this thing throw a code if you don't have your air box in and you try and run it? That seems to be the only thing I can think of, other than the O2 sensor is what it's saying. But we'll find out. So this is what we get to kind of go through next, and see what's up with doing a job with another Maverick here. I've done a couple of these. But yeah, she's a beaut on 32-inch silverbacks. Yeah. So there's our next project, guys. Why don't y'all go ahead real quick for me and hit that like button and hit that subscribe and that bell for notifications. I'd appreciate it. Here's that 2017 Maverick XMR, and we're working on her. So issues that were found, we got a messed up clutch here. Look how rusty that is. And the one way in the clutch is not, it spins both ways. Like, I don't know if that's supposed to, I'm gonna check into that. I don't think that's supposed to do that. It's supposed to lock up the other way. So that's bad. That needs to be replaced. These clutches really need to be cleaned. Probably a new belt needs to go on it. The problems that we were having with the check engine have been resolved. I put a new set of spark plugs in her, and we are good. So let me just show you real quick. No more check engine light. All the switches are, like I said, wired up and good to go. Go. Alright. Like I said, the clutches definitely need to clean those. New belt. It's leaking coolant. Nope, no check engine, like I said. Leaking coolant out of the weep hole. So we're gonna have to change the mechanical seal. Also have an issue here. Broken winch cable. And also, I think the winch is wound up in the wrong direction. It's supposed to go on the bottom. So it needs a new winch cable. And then here's the solenoid for the winch down in here. And it's got a broken post up there in the top corner right here. There's supposed to be a wire there, but there's not. So coolant fix. I was able to get the airbox back in to eliminate that from causing any issue of the for check engine light. I'm not throwing the codes anymore, but I had found that when I swapped the plugs, it was throwing separate codes, which was for then the rear cylinder. So once I swapped the plugs around, I was able to figure out that it was the fouled front spark plug that was misfiring, causing the check engine light issue. Not anything wiring wise or having the intake off was the issue. So it needs a full service. Clutches, the weep hole, because like I said, it's leaking coolant. There's a puddle. And the coolant's very low. I've got it stripped way down. Shit. From this point, it can just go to the pressure washer right outside and get all cleaned up. Try and get all this mud out of these crevices and stuff that you don't see all the time because all the plastics are on it. And then after all the fixings are done, it needs to be re-snorkeled, and as far as hook it up back to the way it was, all the plastics need to be reinstalled, and might even get a little plastic piece for there. I have that on the list. Anything I found that was broke, I list, and yeah, I haven't driven it, but it does start, run, go in each gear, and I'm not sure what else other than the rock lights I need to wire up to a switch. Do that. But I got to talk to the guy who owns it and see what he wants to do. And once he lets me know and gives me the okay, we'll go ahead with her. So that's where we're at with the Maverick as of right now, which today I think is the 22nd at some point. It's a nice sunny day outside. And I'm doing also videos on the Ranger, so you'll see that as well right now. We're getting ready for a ride. I'll mention it in the Ranger vid as well. We're going on a ride. What day? It's going to be May 30th and April 1st to South Mississippi Off-Road and RV Park, and we will be Ryan Upchurch will be there performing. So that'll be cool. Get to go see him. I respect him. He's a good dude, and I'll watch all his videos as well. I support his YouTube. So yeah, it'd be cool to meet him if possible. That'd be awesome. But worst case, or not even worse, I mean, I get to listen to him, so that's cool. We get to go have fun and go ride. And hey, if you do, Ryan, see this video by some chance, I don't know, I have a freaking Can-Am Outlander with your name on it, that yellow and black XMR that I have. You're more than welcome to ride the hell out of that thing while you're there if you don't have your own gear or bike that you travel with. So all you got to do is find me, and I got you set up, man. So, but anyway, yeah, we're gonna have a good time at that ride. A couple of us Alpha Pack guys will be there, and yeah, so we'll have all the units out there, the Outlanders, the Ranger, and the Big Bear, I believe. I think Clay's gonna bring his Polaris, and who else? Actually, the Brute Force might even be ready for that ride. I need to get it ready for that ride. So yeah, that's on the agenda. So all right.